Hello, welcome to Liverpool FC News Today channel. According to the Times, a meeting of the government's Cobra committee will take place this morning and it is expected to announce plans to move the UK's coronavirus crisis plan from the contain to delay phase. It is stated the current football season across leagues in England will not be postponed. Instead, fans will no longer be allowed to attend matches and those holding season tickets or single game tickets will be allowed to stream coverage of matches. Let's block ads. Why?